Hi guys, today I want to show you the best way to fix that plastic skin and make it really realistic, and here we can see the result of that tutorial. So let's start. For the first step, we need to generate really bad quality portraits. So for that I choose to use Quen model because I think it's really not the best model for the realistic portrait. So I use replicate service for that, but you can use any model which you'd like. So let's set up this aspect ratio, and we will use the simplest prompt. I don't know what's maybe easier, so let's take a woman portrait. So we expected the waxy skin, the bad quality, and fake portrait. Okay, let's run it. Okay, and you look that its portrait not so bad, but it's not realistic. We will see that it's A generated, and it's not that result which we'd like to have. Okay, we have that bad quality portrait, and now we should use Seedream A model for upscale. So let's go to the Seedream form, open it, and choose 4K quality, the same aspect ratio. I'll use this one, and this is the place where magic will happen. In prompt, we should place this one text, so it will be in description section: ultra realistic skin detailed sharp focus photo, and add your bad quality image as a reference. Okay, run. And you see it's the same portrait, but absolutely realistic, with skin texture, with pores. It's amazing result. We can compare it, and we see that result. It's really amazing. The skin, the hair, the eyebrow, it's super. So we don't use any upscales such as or Magnific or another expensive upscale. It's just Seedream, and it cost for me 3 cents. 3 cents for this result. Please let me know what do you think in comments, and please subscribe to my channel for the new tutorials. Thank you for attention, guys. Bye bye.